In this lesson, we learn about waves, sound, and light.
A wave is a way. Energy travels from one place to another. Waves have wavelength, frequency, and amplitude.
Sound is a type of wave made by vibration. Sound needs a medium, like air, to travel.
That is why sound cannot travel in space. We hear sound because sound waves reach our ears.
Light is also a wave. Light does not need a medium to travel. It can travel through empty space.
Light helps us see objects. Reflection happens when light bounces off a surface.
Waves, sound, and light are important in communication and technology.